Hey guys, Joe from Extreme Terrain, and today we're going to be working with the 5-inch iStep running boards in Hairline Silver, fitting all 05 and newer Tacoma double cabs. Now this set is going to be perfect for the Tacoma owner out there that's looking for a cost-effective yet stylish way to make getting in and out of their truck just a little bit easier. These steps are made out of aircraft grade 6061 aluminum, which simply put is one of the best materials out there. It's durable yet lightweight. The majority of this is finished in that Hairline Silver, which is going to give it that nice flat silver look. On top we have a 5-inch wide black treaded step that runs the entire length of the board, perfect to get a grip in any wet or muddy conditions. I really like the way that black tread and the Hairline Silver complement each other. I think it plays off the wheels on our 16 Tacoma here really nicely. Now if the silver here is not your thing, I definitely get it. Not only does iStep offer this in black as well, they also offer a 4, 5, and 6-inch variant for both the double cab like we have here and the access cab as well. Pricing for the pair is going to come in right around that $200 mark, which makes it one of the most budget-friendly on the site. 6061 aluminum, you can't go wrong. There's really a no-frills option. You get that tread all the way down the length of the running board. I really like that. This has a lot going for it. Personally, one of my favorites. Now, if you're still not sold, also included in that price is going to be a 1-year limited manufacturer's warranty. Install here is going to be extremely easy. There's threaded holes underneath all 05 and newer Tacomas, which are perfect for our mounting brackets here. I'm gonna give it an easy 1 out of 3 wrenches on our difficulty meter. There's no modification required. Should take you at most an hour to get these hooked up to your truck. So without any further ado, let me show you what you'll need to do this and how it's done. Tools you'll need to get these on your truck are going to include an impact or ratchet, small extension, 13 and 10 millimeter sockets. So, like I said earlier, this install is going to be extremely easy. We're just gonna hold our bracket up to the threaded holes on the bottom and tighten it down with the 13 millimeter hardware included in the kit. We're gonna start at the passenger side rear, but the install is gonna be the same exact thing for the driver's side. Now, as you can see, this bracket here does have a sticker on it marked with DC and PR, so this could double as either the driver's side center bracket or the passenger side rear. Now moving underneath of our Tacoma here, you can better see the pre-threaded holes that come on the bottom. They're perfect for mounting brackets, like I said earlier. Now from the factory, these do have plastic caps on them. If yours does, which it probably does, all you need to remove those is either a trim panel tool or a pair of pliers. We're gonna do the same exact thing for the passenger side middle. And if you take a close look at that sticker, you'll see this will also work for the driver's side rear. The front is actually going to be a little bit different here. As you can see, the spacing on these two bolts is a little bit further apart. Next, we're going to grab a board, doesn't matter which one, they're not driver or passenger specific. We're going to flip it over here, and that's going to reveal these two channels. We're going to insert these square head bolts into each of those channels. We're going to put 3 of these in each channel, and I'm just gonna bring these to the middle for now and sort them out once we drop the board onto the brackets. Next, we're gonna drop the board on the brackets, spread those bolts out, make sure they're nice and seated in the brackets, and secure this board with the 10 millimeter nylock nuts in the kit. Install is going to be the same thing except mirrored for the driver's side. But that's going to do it for my review and install of the 5-inch iStep running boards in Hairline Silver, fitting all 05 and newer Tacoma double cabs. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe to Extreme Terrain for more videos like this and all things Tacoma.